open house of Garden City because we have started our construction. The construction is already underway and hindi ko maisip na talagang gaganda ang lugar. Sa pamamagitan ninyo lahat ng tumutulong sa amin at lahat ng aking pamilya na nandito. Thank you very much.
Today is a day of gratitude, reflection, and hope. Growth means movement, and today, we move forward. Moving forward, not to forget, but to honor what brought us here. As we say goodbye to our old home, we open our doors to our new showroom. A place not just built with bricks and lights, but with vision, courage, and purpose.
Majority of them have been working behind the scenes in order for us to be able to fulfill our promise, yung ultimate urban paradise natin, which is Garden City.